Good afternoon, Mr. Ramesh.
Good afternoon to you, Tomo.
How are you this afternoon, sir?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm fine too. Sir, can I ask something?
Sir, ask anything.
Sir, what is the function of lathe machine and grinding machine?
Yes, I will tell you what is the function of machine, but first I will check your safety.
Please.
Okay, well done.
Hanuman, can you tell me? This is safety shoes. Safety shoes is used to protect the foot from falling object or compress and puncture.
Okay, then what about safety glasses?
Safety glasses used to protect your eyes from an object.
Good job. Follow me to the grinding machine room.
Please, sir.
Yes, thank you. This is grinding machine. Grinding machine is used for smoothing the workpiece, knives, machetes, and other cutting tools.
Oh, I got it. Sir, what is the name of these tools?
This is files. Files used to remove the iron powder from the grinding protector.
Yes, I am understand, sir. By the way, can we go to the lathe machine?
Yes, follow me.
Okay, sir.
This is lathe machine. Lathe machine is used for cutting and drilling the workpiece according to your desired shape and can determine the midpoint of the workpiece.
Oh, yes. Sir, what is it?
This is wrench. Wrench is used for tighten and loosen the bolt on an object. Look at me for that.
Thank you for today, sir. Maybe I can go to the class right now?
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you very much.